Hi, I'm Franz. This is Krita. And let's see some cases when you cannot draw the gradient in Krita. So, for example, you did some painting and you want to do the gradient inside. So you are choosing the gradient and you are going to gradient tool, but gradient is everywhere. This is because you forgot to select the area. So I'm doing Ctrl Z and I'm selecting the area. Now it's done. Okay. The second case is when you did selection and you trying to do the gradient but you cannot, and it's written here because layer is locked. So this layer is locked, you have to unlock it and it's done. One more case is when you are trying to do a gradient but it's written here layer is invisible, so the layer cannot be seen. So you click here and everything is okay. And one more situation is when you did such a gradient and maybe this gradient, then that gradient, you want to do this one, but you cannot because they're like overlaying. So you have firstly to delete everything, go to edit, cut, and then gradient will be done. Correct gradient will be done. Thank you, bye.